Every company wants to grow and expand its operations into different products and regions. However, not all organizations can meet the requirements to manage their growth effectively. Implementing an integrated ERP and accounting solution is really the best approach to achieving coordination and maximizing efficiency. This system ensures your CFO runs each department effectively while providing access to each unit's data across the entire organization. And here's how to maximize efficiency when managing a multi-entity organization using software such as Xledger and GoldFinch ERP. Any business with different divisions, brands, branches, units, or entities is multi-entity. A parent company must oversee all operations, despite each unit operating with a high degree of independence. The largest challenge for multi-entity companies is they rarely grow as one cohesive unit. There are dozens of uncontrollable factors playing a significant role in the success of each area, which affects growth. A company can become multi-entity when it opens international branches operating under different regulations, laws, and culture. It absorbs other entities through mergers and acquisitions. It has internal units that operate independently on issues such as accounting. Xledger is a very effective accounting platform that maximizes financial efficiency while providing all businesses room to grow. Over 10,000 businesses in over 60 countries currently rely on Xledger to unlock their financial goals. Pairing Xledger with GoldFinch allows multi-entity organizations to expand without limits. GoldFinch helps interlink the various departments and inventory, while Xledger automatically consolidates and analyzes accounting data. All multi-entities should get the experience of Xledger and GoldFinch, as it's quite the combination, and here's why. Keeping up with the financial data of different entities when managing complex or multi-entity firms is not easy. Many managers prefer implementing ERP with accounting software to help maneuver these accounting challenges. This solution provides access to real-time financial data and reports across the different systems and automates multiple currency operations. Multi-entity organizations are primarily large, complex, and established firms. Implementing Xledger and GoldFinch will provide a more comprehensive overview of your accounting system and products, which gives you more control over internal operations. It also provides real-time access to consolidated financials with specific details on each entity. With Xledger and GoldFinch, you have more transparency in your multi-entity's financials, easy revenue and expense monitoring for all operating units, comprehensive overview of your organization's total cash position, unpaid bills, and balance, local transactions history and financial status. Xledger grows with your business, equipping you with all you need to add new business and potentially acquire other companies. Pairing that with GoldFinch allows you to share product, materials, and inventory information across the different areas of your multi-entity organization. The two also promote seamless operations in your organization while cutting down IT expenses to further improve efficiency. GoldFinch and Xledger are global products. According to Xledger's website, their platform supports over 22 languages and all international currencies. This combination is the perfect approach for multi-entity companies to achieve a flexible currency management system. Although a multi-entity organization can be challenging, there are several approaches to maximizing efficiency and productivity. Most companies opt for a powerful ERP and accounting configuration to help consolidate the different accounting and business processes. Contact us today to learn about how Xledger and GoldFinch create a powerful configuration to automate your processes and provide insights for heightened scalability.